Hey everyone, what's cooking? I can tell you what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making British Bangers the old traditional way with some mashed potatoes and some nice gravy on top of it. It's going to be great. You're going to love it. After you're done deboning and cubing your meat, it's actually very important to keep your meat as cold as possible. So we're going to go put it in the fridge somewhere it can keep cool. Okay, we're done grinding, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it back in the fridge so it can chill down a little bit more before we start mixing all the ingredients into it. Okay, it's very important to measure your meat. This way we can accurately calculate how much spices need to go into our sausage recipe. Today we're going to be using 5 pounds for this recipe, and it's going to work out great. Don't forget to test out your batch. You never know if something could be missing. You can always go back and add in ingredients and mix it up before you start stuffing. Once you start stuffing, it's too late. All right, let's give these British Bangers a little try. Oh yeah, that's good. This is gonna be awesome with mashed potatoes. right, that brought a lot of memories back. Those British Bangers and mashed potatoes and gravy was amazing. It turned out really good. I really enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed watching everything. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. I wouldn't want you to miss any of my upcoming videos or any new content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.